Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, subscribe to our channel and hit notification button. Today we're gonna be dealing with light bulb warning light. Our scanner told us that we have bad side lights on both sides, but before you tackle them you want to make sure that every other light on your car works fine. Since sidelights are hardest to notice, they are one of the most common issues for this light. Sidelights or parking lights are these little lights right here. To replace them, undo these metal clips and remove the plastic headlight cover. I'm gonna try and show you how they look inside. As you can see, these are the bulb holders, and for easy removal they have these plastic handles which do get brittle over time, so you gotta be extremely careful not to break them. If you break them, they'll be much harder to remove. They are fairly easy to remove. You can use one or two hands, and you don't want to use too much force. As I mentioned before, these plastic handles, or whatever you want to call them, they do get brittle over time and they break very easy. To remove old light bulb, press it in and twist it off. Put in the new light bulb and you are good to go. Try them out and leave them on. The light from the bulbs themselves will help you guide them back into their place. This part can be somewhat tricky, but it's not too bad, to be honest. This is how headlights look with the side lights on. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we had to do the other side as well. The only thing left for us to do is to check if we solved our issue. As you can see right here, the light bulb warning light is already off. We didn't have to use diagnostic tool to erase it, and the dash on our €1,000 Alpha is warning light free. If you liked our video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel.